Today we are going to install the FortiWi-Fi 81F into the RM-FR-T18 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the Fortigate appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 9 zip ties, 2 M3 bolts, and 12 cables. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom of the Fortigate. Place the Fortigate on the rack mount kit and fix the appliance with the 2 bolts on the bottom and tighten them lightly. You can place up to 2 power supplies on the rack mount kit. To install the power supplies, put the zip ties through the designated holes. Place the power supply on top of the rack between the zip ties and tighten firmly. Tie the excess length of the power cables down with the zip ties provided. Connect the cables from your Fortigate to the connectors on the rack mount kit. Optionally, use fiber patch cables, not supplied, to connect the SFP ports with fiber keystones. You can also use 2 zip ties to hold these cables together. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the kit into a cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.